Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking care of this beautiful Skoda Fabia. It's not really in bad condition, but it could really use a cleanup. The owner hasn't brought it in a couple of months, so yeah, it got a little bit bad, but nothing I can't handle. First off, you're starting with the pre-wash process. What the pre-wash does is it removes 98% of the dirt that it is located on the clear coat. With this you are sure that you remove any bigger debris, any stones, anything that could potentially harm the clear coat during the contact wash. What I have here in the spray foamer, it is a chemical mixture that I've mixed myself. So basically it is an alkaline cleaner mixed with a citrus cleaner and active foam. This makes sure that it gets all of the dirt softened up and that it will foam up nicely and stay active for some time until it is time to do the rinse process. For this car's age, I really have to say it is still in really good condition. I have cleaned some cars that were not as old as this car and they had some really ripped up seats, or they had some stains which I could not get out. On the exterior the clear coat was already either fading or it had some rips in it, so like the clear coat you could literally see where the clear coat is missing oxidization. But for the age of this car, it's still in really good shape. Moving on to cleaning the wheels, as you can see it has a lot of contamination on it. At this point for the hubcaps, it's not really worth it to spend a lot of time in cleaning them. At this point it's just the best thing to throw them out and replace them. But for the wheel, you see it has a steel wheel. Here I just first spray it down with my pre-wash solution, let it eat up the dirt, dust, grease and everything a little bit, and then I sprayed it good with the Sonex Beast wheel cleaner. This will also remove any brake particles and make sure that the wheel is afterwards squeaky clean. And what you see here right now spraying me on, it is the Moya Auto X Neon Pro wheel cleaner. This is also a foaming wheel cleaner. You can also use it as a lubricant and also like an extra agitation agent. So I use this, like I said, not only as a lubricant, but this is also a very efficient tire cleaner. And with this combination, you will always be sure that the wheel will be completely clean and free of brake dust, dirt, grease and grime. Before starting the contact wash process, I make sure that apply a very thick layer of Koshimi gentle snow foam. The snow foam helps slide the wash mitt better across the panels. It will also make sure that you will less likely damage the clear coat of the car. And also it helps it to clean more efficiently while you are doing the contact wash. As you can see here right now, the car has no protection whatsoever on its coat. Now I'm gonna show you a really great product. It's called Valet Pro Snow Foam Seal. This is an SiO2, better said ceramic based snow foam. You apply it through a snow foam gun, and what this does, it makes it so that the water beads off the coat, as you can see here right now. This is really excellent for drying the car, because you can just blow the water off. You can also towel dry it, but if you wanna do it contactless, this is the perfect helper for you. Now I am applying some Moya Auto synthetic wax to the car. The wax adds another protective layer to the car, making sure that, as you saw, the water will beat off the coat, and also make it sure that the next wash of the car will be a lot easier, so the dirt will stick to the wax instead of the coat, making it a lot easier to remove. It will also protect the coat from the UV lights of the sun, making sure that the coat will not prematurely oxidize.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes
Moving now to cleaning the interior. First what I'm doing is spray down some Koshemi Polestar. This helps up with the vacuuming a lot. As you can see, the owner of the car has no carpets inside, which is a little bit of a problem because it will wear down the carpeting, the floor carpeting of the car a lot quicker. And also I will not be doing any carpet extraction or seat extraction because the customer picked the cheapest package that I offer, which does not include a deep clean. It's most like you could say wash and wax and interior cleaning. As you can see right now, after the first pass with the vacuum, I sprayed down some more of the Polestar solution and then went over with the drill brush. This will make sure that I get all of the rest of the dirt and debris out of the carpeting. The customer also requested that I take off the seat covers, and as you see here, when taking off the covers, there was still some of the sponge left that is used to make those covers. And I always hate when people use those covers because then there's also a chance that some stains will appear because of it, because some cheap materials are used, and a lot of the time happened that there were orange stains on the seats, which are little bit tough to get out. But at the end, the best thing is to just leave your seats unprotected and get a deep clean like once or twice a year, or just at least get the stain deep cleaned when you get it directly on your seat.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
Moving now to the interior door panels. As you can see right now, most of it is made out of textile. And this is not like a high quality textile, this is more like a little bit of the cheap type. So it is more like a layer of textile on the plastic. But yes, it had also a lot of stains in it, but spraying some Koshemi Green Star on it and agitating it with a brush got rid of all of the stains and the plastic got cleaned up very nicely. And the last step, the cleaning of the windows. As you see here, I'm using 2 towels, one waffle weave and one polishing towel. This makes sure that when you clean the windows, when you have a good window cleaner also, it will keep a nice, clean and streak-free window. So always make sure you use a good glass cleaner and good towels. And unfortunately, in the middle of the cleaning, it started to rain, but doesn't matter because the car is still protected from the outside, so the water will just fly off once the owner starts driving. And now enjoy some water beading aftershots. Thank you for watching and see ya in the next video.
I thought I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes, but love is blind. I thought I saw you smile. I saw